Leading gapper this morning is ATCH. Now, this is very similar to number 2 on the list here, which is OCTO. Both of them really, really similar. Both of them extremely similar setups. Both gapped up early this morning, faded all the way back up until about 7 a.m., and then decided to start to curl back up towards its highs. So what I'm mainly looking for on both of these, ATCH is a great example. You have the daily highs here in ATCH at 38 cents. All right, daily highs back here at 38 cents. So I'm going to either have to watch this off of VWAP this morning around the 37.50 on ATCH, or I'm going to have to watch it over its pre-market highs. Over its pre-market highs, I know that's so far from current price. That's why I really don't want to look at it that way. 50 cents a share. You could do that. You still have range over that 50. Over 50, you've got range here to, let me double check. Over 50, you've got the range here to 63 to about 77. So you have plenty of range. So really, you can watch it one of two ways. You can either look for the dips off of VWAP out of the bell today. I'm going to say over 37 cents. Or watch for the break and base above 50 cents. That's really all you can do. All right, nothing else here looks really too good, except for that. So I do want to watch it, though. I do want to watch this. This is ATCH, top gapper of the morning. And I want to watch it either off of, and it looks good here as well. I want to either watch it off of 37, or I want to watch it over 50 cents. Again, range on this over that 50-cent level is going to be to 63 and to 77. But, again, off 37, over 50. So I'm watching it here this morning. Number 2 is going to be, let me go ahead and post up real quick in the chat that the live stream started. I completely forgot to post that. Hold on one sec. And then we'll go over OCTO. Let's send out that notification, and then we'll be good. Okay. All right, so OCTO, pretty similar setup, and I just want to watch it the same exact way. There's no difference. So what it's really going to come down to this morning, since they're both the exact same setup, there's no difference. It's really just going to come down to which one's going to meet entry criteria. You know, really, which one's going to meet entry criteria. That's it. That's all that we're going to be looking at here. So on one side, on OCTO, you can watch it off of yesterday's high of day, which is back here at 380, 385, which is the same setup as ATCH. It's just off of VWAP. So we can watch this off of that, what did I say, 385. You can watch it off 385. Or, what do you think? We could watch it over the high of day. But what we have to do, though, is we have to look over the highs here and say, well, does it have range over that 460? Let's see. Double top at 450 back here on the daily. Yes, it has tons of range over 460. Look back here. This is beautiful. This is great. It has range to about 550. You've got range to 550 and I'm guessing 650. Okay, so you got 550 and 650. This looks awesome. This looks good. So this is exactly like the first setup on ATCH, literally exactly like it, where we can either watch it for pullbacks off of VWAP out of the open or watch it over its pre-market highs. Both of them look the exact same. I like both of them. MLGO, holy crap, look at this. Let's take a look. Let's see. Do we like MLGO? ATCH and OCTO both look incredible. They look really, really good for today. Let's see. MLGO past daily high. Sits back here at 37 cents. Yesterday's pre-market highs sit up here at 31.50. I do want to watch this today, but it's a bit too early for me to tell how. It's way too early for me to tell how. It's going to have to be off pullbacks. All right, I don't want to watch it up into yesterday's highs, into the pre-market highs from yesterday. So I will watch it out of the bell today. It has to be somewhere over 25 cents. I don't know where it's going to be, but I do definitely want to watch this. It would be stupid not to. This move is pretty wild going into the bell today, so I do want to watch it. It's going to be somewhere over 25 cents. I don't know where yet. To be determined. We'll go over that later, closer to the open, and see if maybe we can figure it out. But you've got range here at 37. You got 37 to 40, pretty much. It's a good look. I just don't know. It's a bit too early. Let's see. MSGM. What do we have here? Let's see. $160. Could watch it over the pre-market highs. No, not enough range. Leave it off. So right now this morning, top setups to be watching are ATCH, OCTO, and MLGO. CAPR again making a move here. Let's take a look. I believe, was this on last night's watch list? I think it was. No, it was not. We did play it yesterday. Or at least watched it. I do want to watch this today. Let me peek at the daily here real quick. Yeah, let's watch this today. I want to watch CAPR over PM highs of 1050. I may also watch this one off some pullbacks as well, but you've got the PM highs at 1055 that I do want to watch it over for the range to 12. Now you can also watch it off of possible pullbacks this morning. I may keep an eye. Let me see. Let's see. Yeah, I could watch it off 930, I suppose. Watch it off dips over 930. So you can either do 930 or 1055 break. A lot of these have like these like hybrid setups where you can either look for a flush, you can look for the breakout, and they look good regardless. Hold on, let's see. Somebody tagging me in chat. CAPR, does the 11 not concern you? I don't see so much of a key 11 here. I mean, there's a smidge of 11, but not so much. We can watch it. We'll see. Depends how it trades over 1055. If we see sellers over 1055, then yeah, we'll leave it alone. I don't mind this, though. How was price action yesterday? Wasn't it kind of choppy? A little bit. A little bit. Okay. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. I doubt that I play this today. I'm going to want it to hold over 950, actually. I doubt that I play this. I'm going to plan for it over 1055 and nothing else. Range 12. I don't like it off the pullbacks. So ATCH, OCTO, MLGO, and CAPR. Currently, we'll go over the nightly watch list in a second and get the rest of these done and over with. Okay, let's go and do that. Let's see what we have here that I might have missed. We've got MSS that I wanted to watch again today. No, that was from 2 days ago. Hold on. Okay. FAAS, I wanted to watch today over the highs, over 180. Kind of a weak open this morning, but I'll still look at it today. Why not? I doubt we play it, but it doesn't hurt to have it on the list. HSCS, how do we open here this morning? Kind of gross. I wanted to hold off of 385 though, so I could still watch it today. And after I go through all of these, I'll go through and be like, all right, do we have really anything here that I can take off? Because I don't want to be watching a million setups into the open today. Let's see, WVE, how did this one hold overnight? Nice, okay. So we could watch WVE over 835. Range here is to 10 and 11. I'm going to take... Yeah, I'm definitely going to take one of these off because we have too many things we're watching here this morning. We're going to have to go through and see which ones I don't really like. XHG, we're not keeping. VSME, I feel like I got to keep for sure. You've got range to 240. Yeah, I want to watch this. To be determined, though. I don't have a plan for it yet. Okay. So let me go through real quick. Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 setups to be watching this morning. That's a little bit too much in my opinion, but I want to go through real quick. ATCH is still valid. OCTO is still valid. If they're all valid, it's fine. MLGO is still valid. Yeah, it's really going to come down to if anything's invalid, then I'll take it off the list, and I'm going to take CAPR off. It's a bit extended in my opinion. I'll put it down here so I remember to look at it, but it's a bit extended. FAAS, I doubt we played today, honestly. Let's replace FAAS with CAPR. I don't like to have anything more than like 6 setups to be watching because then I feel like you get a bit overwhelmed. Okay. I think I'm good for the bell now. So what you need to do now, pull up your charts. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that I've gone through with you this morning that you can pull up and get marked up and get prepared for the open today. And if you ever feel like timing is an issue in your trading, it's probably because you're not prepared. So make sure you spend the next 9 minutes getting all of these pulled up. I did all the hard work for you. The levels are right there on your screen. All you have to do is get them marked up and pull them up on your screens. That's it. Then you'll be good for the open. So do that. Get ready for the bell. If you have any questions, you can let me know. I'm going to get my charts pulled up over here as well. All you have to do is mark up your risk level and your range level. That way, whenever you look at it after the bell, whenever we're trading, you can say, oh, I know how I'm playing this today. I know what the plan is. So make sure to spend at least a few minutes here doing that. Get it all ready. And I'm doing that on my end here as well. Getting everything pulled up. We have a pretty good list this morning. A lot of stocks. A lot of stocks to be watching. All right, I've got my full list pulled up and ready to go. Hopefully you've done the same. We've got about 7, 8 minutes until the open today. And about 6 things we're watching into the bell. As the usual reminder goes, if it is your first day here and you've never traded with us before, make sure you do go through the Start Here category first. Read through everything. Do not skip anything. Take your time. Go over it. It's a must. Otherwise, you're not going to know what's going on. And never fall for scammers in your DMs. I will never DM you. I will never send you a friend request. So please block it and report it and just ignore it. Outside of that too, of course, the live stream is the easiest way to keep up here, but you have to be prepared. You have to be focused. So whenever I mention a stock that I'm watching, make sure you just pull it up and watch it with me. That way you already have it ready to go. Aside from that, I think we're ready for the open. So we've got about 6 minutes. Any questions, I will be more than happy to help with until we get into the bell. But just make sure all of your charts are pulled up and ready to go. All right, well, y'all on TikTok, you know what time it is. And on Twitter and YouTube. I'm going to shut down that stream now to get ready for the bell with my team over here on the Discord. So make sure to claim your 7-day free trial. If you have not already, definitely do it. It's completely free. You can watch me trade live every single day. And I will see y'all there. If you're not already there, please do it. Peace, guys.